The platypus, a venomous critter. Only the males are venomous. The venom glands are connected to spurs on the hind legs. So, there and there. It is one of just a few venomous animals. The pain from the venom is resistant to morphine or other painkillers. It can cause nausea, gastric pain, cold sweats, causes your lymph nodes to swell, on top of other things. The venom can be used for new medication for diabetes. The pain from the spurs can last for days. Venom production peaks during the breeding season. Before today, did you know that platypuses were poisonous or venomous?